Good afternoon, ma'am. Good
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon. Good afternoon, Shaista. How's you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. And how you are feeling now after giving interview of TCS?
Feeling relaxed, ma'am, after giving the TCS interview.
Okay, feeling relaxed. Okay. What was the first thing you have done after giving the interview?
Nothing, ma'am. After giving the interview, I already slept for continuous hour.
Okay. Okay. So, when was your written examination for TCS?
Written exam is on. Actually, I don't remember the exact. It's on 22 October. We have the written exam.
What kind of questions were there in the examination?
Uh, like it's mainly the MCQs which we our department had given the trainings, and it's like basic MCQs and coding questions,
Okay,
which is
coding
also
questions.
yes, ma'am, and which is also an easy level. But I have some problem at that time that my editor didn't compile the code, so I have submitted that code only, written code, but it doesn't compile. So I have some doubt after the result that if I being qualifying the round or not. But thankfully it qualified.
Okay, so congratulations for that. So you faced interview for TCS NQT, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And when did you got your mail that you have qualified for return?
I have got the mail on 10 November at 3:43 a.m. that I have selected for the next interview process. And after on that, I got the eligibility criteria from the HR, like Sakti Nandan mail on 13 November. And then, like, which are the eligibility criteria I have to follow. And then I have got the 9 December mail that I have interview invite, for which you have to bring the documents of the soft copy and extract Aadhaar card, like that.
So the
Uh,
documents were like 10th, 12th Aadhaar card.
yes, ma'am. It has written that you must have Aadhaar card on like soft copy and hard copy, and you must have 10th, 12th, and semester wise documents on soft copy.
So did you show it live on on all the documents to your interview panel, or it was just you have to submit the documents, scanned
No, ma'am.
documents?
Actually, when I have means like when I have the interview, then she told me to show my Aadhaar card on the camera, and then she processed, and then she told me to share my screen of Aadhaar card soft copy. Only the Aadhaar card for the verification of like name and
So
details.
you were prepared with the all soft copies of your documents.
Actually, ma'am, I have prepared only for like 10, 12th and Aadhaar card, but I have not prepared for RGPV mark sheets.
Okay. So they were asking for RGBV mark sheets also.
Yes, ma'am, but at that time when I decided to download the RGPV mark sheet, but on that RGPV we got the subscription, and then
Okay, 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 okay. It's
yes,
fine.
ma'am.
So how did your interview started?
It started with like there are two panels. One was HR and one for technical interview. So when I have showed my Aadhaar card, she continued with my introduction, but there was some technical glitch from my side. So after waiting for 30 minutes, she called me in the HR that I will reschedule your interview on 1:15 at noon. So after that, I have continued my at 1:15 with the first actually they have my resume, like they already have my resume, so from that they mentioned you have completed my means project. So my technical interviewer was mainly interested in my project, what I have done or not. So she told me like you have done Django framework. So she asked me which type of database you have used. So I have told like DB SQLite which used in Django and framework. So she continued from the main three projects, and one project she caught an eye like calorie counter. I have my in my resume mentioned. So in that she asked from the calorie counter. Then she asked me from the language which you have known about the topic. So I have told about basic C, C++, and OOPS and data structure. She asked from me data structure and the OOPS concept.
Okay. So in data structure concepts, what kind of questions she asked you?
Like what is array and linked list and trees? Only the definitions, not in deep. And from OOPS, like inheritance, encapsulation, constructor. That's the, she only asked my basic questions from that topics.
So there were only one technical interviewer or two, three, how many?
Only one interviewer, technical interviewer.
So she was not interested in any programming question.
She asked me about only logic, not for writing any code. She asked me to explain the logic, so I have already told her. And then she asked me one program means code, which is too lengthy. So I have told them
What
that
was that code?
uh, it's for like input the age of mine age, and then tell me the year how many you have lived, or like that 365 days, or count the
You have to give input. You have to give input of your year, like 1992.
19 year age.
According to
then
that,
then you have to in output the print the output of my how many days I have lived.
okay, days.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So that's what the long code. So I have told ma'am it will take time to explain my code. So she said you can write on notepad also. Ma'am, I have told her that it will take time if you want, means if you want to wait for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it will take time. So she said okay, no problem, we will continue.
Okay. Okay. So in technical questions, I mean, how many questions she asked? 5, 10 questions.
Up to 7 to 8.
7 to 8. And it take how much time to you to answer that questions?
Like it's basic question, so I have completed my technical interview around 25 minutes.
Okay, 25 minutes. And after technical interview, you had your
HR round.
okay. So how was your HR interview started?
HR interview started by asking my name meaning because it was like something different name. So she asked my name meaning, and then I have told her. Then she asked me about the resume, like you have contributed in a management process. Like I am a coordinator in TNP cell. So she asked how you process that corporate team. So I explained that how we worked in that team. And then she asked me, you have also mentioned that you like to read novels. So I told her which novels I read. That's it. So she simply like HR round. And at last she asked me like, you have written that you have completed your projects in HTML and CSS. So she told me to write some syntax for text area HTML. So I write in chat box. Then she asked me, is this correct or not? So I am confidently says that it's correct.
Okay, okay. So and HR round take how much time? Your HR round?
5 to 7 minutes.
Okay. So complete, we can say that in half an hour your TCS NQT interview was completed, right?
Yes,
Okay. So you are selected in another company also named Cloud Analogy, right?
yes, ma'am.
How was your experience in that interview?
Actually, when I have given that test, I'm not like re- fully prepared. Like I'm not in the mood to give the test with a full excited. So I have given. Then they come up with second round, technical round, which I have clashed with TCS. Means cloud analogy was from the 10 to 11, and TCS was from 11 to 11:30. So I have told my TPO head, means Prachi ma'am, to reschedule my cloud analogy. So she told me to for
So
the next.
how can you can compare, you can give me rating on the comparison that TCS interview, NQT interview and the Cloud Analogy interview?
Uh,
How different both of them? How difficult for you to crack both of them?
both of them is that TCS in TCS she only asked me basic questions or logic explanation of the codes from string concept, and in cloud analogy the interviewer asked me to compile the code. Means not compile the code, write the code on the code share and try run the code. Means I have to explain how one line interprets, because I have said that I am more confident in Python language. So I have written the code in Cloud Analogy Interviewer. That so he asked me to interpret one by one line. So in that I have made one mistake from that side. So he asked me to write another code. Means he given me the another one
What
question.
was that question about?
It was about conversion of binary to decimal number. So in that I have written the code. Code was perfect, but is that I have for the dry run I have mistaken one step for the loop step.
So you had fun in TCS NQT interview or cloud analogy interview?
Yes, ma'am.
No, in comparison to both, in which interview you had fun?
Fun. I don't think ma'am, I have any kind of fun in both the interview, because before starting any type of interview is that I feel very nervous and anxiety.
It was
Yes,
obvious.
ma'am.
Being
So,
nervous is obvious.
ma'am, it's extreme level of nervousness is there.
Okay. Now your any lined up interviews you have now?
I don't think right now I have any lined up interviews.
So congratulations for cloud analogy placement. No?
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
And best of luck for the result of TCS NQT. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And I give you my best wishes. I hope you will be selected in TCS.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you for sharing your interview experience, Shaista. It will be very helpful for your friends, right, and your juniors also.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much. See you soon.
See you, ma'am.